Instagram's newest feature allows you to add transitions in between clips directly in Instagram Reels. I'm gonna show you how.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
So in Instagram Reels, you're gonna wanna start by adding your clips. So just swipe up and add the clips you wanna add. So here's a nice one. To avoid having to go through your entire camera roll to find your clips, I suggest putting all your clips into a folder so you can easily find them. There you go. So once you have your clips added into your reel, you're gonna want to press preview. Once you press preview, then you have to access the editing module. So edit clips. And now you're gonna see all your clips. In here, you can go in, you can trim your clips, get them to start later. You can click through the clips and just change the timing of it. Or you can delete it if you don't no longer like a clip. So click on the clip and then you can change these bars. These white bars allow you to indicate which parts of the video you are going to show in your reel. So let's say, this is for my birthday, relaxing, loved it. Okay, so once you're happy with that, to add transitions, you're gonna press this transition button on the bottom. So press transitions, and these plus signs are going to appear. So now you can indicate which transition you want to add in between which two clips. So if I clip the plus between these two clips, it's gonna say choose transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Different options, and I can add that transition. I can add the same transition in between all of them, but I can also add separate ones. So let's say done. Actually, this order doesn't make sense. Let's reorder these. So reorder, let's move that there, done. If you don't find that this is playing, so like if it's paused like this and it's not playing between it, make sure you press the play button on the bottom left. So there you go. It's glitching a little bit, so I'm gonna just go in here and I'm gonna change that transition because once I changed the order, I don't think it caught up to it. So there you can see that's a little bit better. So that first clip doesn't really make sense with the rest of them, but I just wanted to add some clips into here to show you how it's done. And then once you're done, you can do a transition at the end too. There we go. So once you're done, press done, and you can either edit your clip some more, add some text here, or just go next and post your reel. If you use this tip in your reels, I would love to see how it turned out. Be sure to tag me on Instagram. It's wonderful_Ida. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Until next time, peace.